Hello students, welcome to online classes. This is Grammar chapter 20 Words that often confuse us. So today we'll learn about the words that often create confusion. So have you ever found the words confusing you? I think your answer must be yes. It confuses us with their sound, sometimes with their spelling. So few words are there that always confuse us. So here you can see one example, SON sun, SUN sun. Here spellings are different but pronunciation is the same. Sun, sun, no difference. So where to use, how to use, what to use. Next is C, C. If we listen only sound, then there will be a great confusion. SEE or SEA because pronunciation is same. So first we'll learn about the words that creates confusion due to the same sound. So there are several words that often confuse us. So let us learn about them. So here words that confuse us with the same sound means spelling are different but sounds are same. So here few examples are there. You will learn through example. It will be more clear to you. Here you see first word that is bouncing ACCEPT except. ACCEPT. The pronunciation is except. And the second word EXCEPT. The pronunciation of this word is also except. So same sound. Now until and unless we will not able to know the difference between the spelling, we will not able to use that particular word. So see here, first ACCEPT means consent, to receive or undertake. Something offered means when somebody offers something to you, then you accept that. That is ACCEPT. And next is AEXCEPT means other than. Except means other than. Here except, both the spellings are different but pronunciation is same, and that creates lot of confusion while using in the sentences. So see, example of accept. I accept the conditions of the challenge. Here means whatever challenges you are offering, I accept the conditions of the challenge. Here accept means consent to receive or undertake. That's something offer to you. Next is everyone except Harish went to see the movie. Here everyone went to see the movie except Harish only. Harish did not go to movie. Rest other all went to see the movie. So here EXCEPT means other than. So I think it must be clear to you the usage of except and accept. One accept means something offered, second is other than. Now come to the second example. Second example is I. And next is also I. But where is the difference? Only in the spelling and meanings. Pronunciation is same. I. Same pronunciation. But see, the spellings are different. And now we'll see what are the meanings. Those will be also different. So, here see the example. I will eat an ice cream. Here I is used as pronoun. I is used as pronoun. So I will eat an ice cream. Next is EYEI. So here I have washed my eyes. I have washed my eyes. So here I is used as sense organ. I is used as sense organ. So pronunciation is same, spellings are different and meanings are different. Now come to the next type of word that also often create confusion. Words that confuse us with the same spelling. Here spellings are same, but sometimes pronunciation is different and meanings are also different. Only the same spelling and pronunciation and meanings are different. Now see the example. B-A-N-K bank. B-A-N-K bank. Second word is also B-A-N-K bank. It means same words, but meanings are totally different. You will be also surprised. One bank, a land, agonized to a river or lake. Second is bank, an organization where people and business can invest or borrow money, change it to foreign money, etc. So here same spelling, bank, bank, even pronunciation is also same, but the meanings are totally different. I went to the river bank yesterday. Here, river bank. Next is I went to the bank to cash my check. Here, check means he went to the bank to cash the check. Here, two banks were totally different. Now, see the next example. Park. Again, P-A-R-K, park. Same spelling. Here, pronunciation is also same. Now, you see the meaning. First park, I always park my car in parking zone. Here park is used for the parking area. Means here park is used as verb. P-A-R-K, park. And here I always park my car in parking area. And second park is my younger brother likes to play in the park. Here park is as a noun. So here first one park is different, that is a verb here, and second one park is different, that is a noun here. So park, park, same word, same spellings, but meanings are totally different. Now see few examples, few exercises are there for you. Let us solve it. Here mark the correct word to complete the sentences. So let us start. Can't you throw the stone any dash? Here F-A-T-H-E-R, father, F-A-R-T-H-E-R, father. So one father means father, mother, the parent, and second is for the distance. So see here which word will be used? F-A-R-T-H-E-R, father, that is used for the distance. You are not allowed or allowed to sleep in the class. One is for the sound and second is for the permission. So which allowed will come? Allowed will come here. ALLOWED. See, same sound, but usage is different. Ruhi dash me a greeting card on my birthday. Here SCENT means perfume, and here's next SENT, that is a verb. So which will come here? Send perfume one or send when we send something to someone. So here the correct answer will be sent. So have you seen the same sound, but here spellings are different. So next is first I am going to take a bath myself, then I am going to bath my dog. So here fourth example is First, I am going to take a dash myself. Then I am going to dash my dog. So here BATH and BATHE two spellings are there. First is bath, second is bathe. So how to use? So I am going to take a dash. So first answer is bath. I am going to take a bath myself. Then I am going to dash my dog. So what will be the correct answer? Here BATHE bathe will be correct answer. So here two different spellings. How to use in the different blanks. Next is the train dash has increased again. Here FARE fare and FAIR fare. One fare when we pay the charge when we take any ticket, or we are going when we go somewhere and we purchase a ticket, we pay the fare. That one fare. Next is FAIR fare means complexion. So here which fare will come? Here FARE fare will come. Come to the next. Here a word has been used wrongly in these sentences. Correct the error. So Gamma has accepted the job as a tour guide. So what is the error here? Let us see. Here accepted spelling is not correct as per the sentence. Here ACCEPTED means when somebody offers and we accept. Next is the doctor gave me an injection to lessen the pain. Here see which is the wrong word. Here LESSO and lesson means chapter, but here decrease LESSE and listen will come. Next is mother gave me a recipe of sweet corn soup. Here the correct spelling will be RECIPE, that is recipe. So here we corrected the word. So I think you must understood about the words that often confuse us. Now you will not confuse with those spellings. I think you must have understood the chapter. So stay at home, stay safe, children.